Hello students, let us do exercise 3.4 now. Write date on your notebook. Exercise 3.4, question number 1, subtract. Here I am going to do B part of question number 1. Here the numbers are already arranged. Let us start. See, this upper number is smaller and the lower number is greater. So this 1 will borrow from 3. When this 1 will borrow from 3, it will become 11 and this 3 will become 2. 11 minus 5. Now see my hand. We have to start counting from 6 till 11. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Count. It will be 6. 11 minus 5, 6. Now 2 minus 4, not possible. So it will borrow from this one. When this 2 will give 1 to this 2, it will become 12 and this 2 will become 1. Now 12 minus 4. We have to start from 5 now. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 12 minus 4, 8. Now 1 minus 7. Again it is not possible. So it will borrow from 6. This 6 will become 5 and 1 will become 11. Now 11 minus 7. We have to start from 8. And 8 to 11 we have to count. 8, 9, 10, 11. How many lines? 4. Answer is 4 now. 5 minus 4. Directly also you can do. 5 minus 4, 1. Now C part. Here, this is 2, this is 8. Not possible. So, it will borrow again. This 4 will become 3 and 2 will become 12. Now, we have to start from 8 and go till 12. Let us start 9, 10, 11, 12. How much? 4. Now 3 minus 6, not possible. So, this will give to this. It will become 1 minus 1, 0. And 3 will become 13. Let's count. 6 to 13. We have to start with 7 now. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many? It's 7. So, 13 minus 6, 7. Now here, 0 minus 5, not possible. So, it will borrow from this 3. It will become 2 and this one 10. 10 minus 5. Let's count. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5. And 2 minus 2, 0. Now, homework D and E part. Question number 2 now. Arrange vertically and subtract. A part. 5,427 minus 2,849. Now it's not arranged. First of all, we have to arrange. 1 stands 100,000. Write the columns the same way. Leave the box for writing the new numbers. Then the upper number should be greater. The greater number is 5,427. We have written it upper portion. And 2,849. We have written it down. Now let's start subtracting. 7 minus 9, not possible. So, this 2 will give 1 to this 7. It will become 17 and this one 1. Now, 17 minus 9, we have to start from 10 now. 10 to 17 we have to go. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 17 minus 8, 9, 8. 1 minus 4. Not possible. So, it will borrow from this 4. This will become 3 and this one will become 11. Now, 5 to 11 we have to go. See, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many lines? 7. Now 3 minus 8. Again it is not possible. So it will borrow from 5. This will become 4 and this one will become 13. Now we have to go from 9 till 13. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's 5. 4 minus 2. 3, 4, 2. B part now. Here also the numbers were not arranged. We have arranged it first. Now we will subtract. 7 minus 9. It is not possible. So this one will give to 7. It will become 17 and this one 0. Now from 10 to 17 we have to go. It will be 8. Now 0 and 2 not possible. So it will borrow from 6. It will become 5 and 0 will become 10. Now 2 to 8, 10. Now do it yourself. What will be the answer? It will be 8. Good. Now 5 and 7 not possible. So this one will give to this 5. It will become 8 and this one 15. Now 15 minus 7. All of you do it on your fingers. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So what is the answer? 8. 8 minus 6 now. It is easy one. 7, 8, 2. Homework D and E part. Catch you in the next video.